Hi friends, today's lecture is about sequence and its convergence. So let's discuss. The reason why I chose this topic is because competition point of view, it is very important. So let's start without wasting time. What is sequence? Okay, a sequence is a function whose domain is set of natural number and maps to the set of real number. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and it maps to some real number to a1, to a2, a3, a4 and so on. Here are some example. Let's see. For n equals to 1, a1 is here minus 1. For n is equal to 2, a2 is 1, n is equal to 3, a3 is minus 1 and so on. And for this sequence, a1 is 0, a2 is 2, a3 is 0 and so on. So these are two sequences. Now let's discuss about its convergence of the sequence. Convergence of a sequence is said to converge to some real number L if for some epsilon positive there exists in natural number M, absolute value of Sn minus L less than epsilon. Let's see what this definition says. One, two, three, four. For some natural number M. For n equal to 1, it converges. Let this given sequence converges to L. For n equal to 1, it maps to a1. For n equal to 2, it maps to a2, a3, a4 and so on. The sequence converges as this sequence converges to some point L to L for some natural number M. There exists an epsilon, positive epsilon, such that the absolute value of Sn minus L for m greater than n, absolute Sn minus L is always less than epsilon. Okay, as you know, this definition is not easy to apply, so let's introduce another concept to find the convergency, limit concept. Any sequence, if limit exists for n tends to infinity, n exists, then the sequence is convergent, otherwise divergent. See this example. For n equal to 1, it is minus 1. For n equal to 3, 1, minus 1, 1 and so on. The sequence is converged 2 point minus 1 and The sequence goes to 2 points, -1 and 1, hence this sequence is divergent. There is no fixed unique limit point. For the example B, the nth term is given by 2n upon n plus 1 limit n tends towards infinity an. This limit n tends to infinity, taking n common from the denominator. Limit is 2. Hence this sequence is also convergent. For the third example, see, limit n tends towards infinity an, and the nth term is given by n plus 1 plus square root of n. Now multiplying conjugate and dividing conjugate. One over infinity, and the limit is 0. Then hence this is one is also convergent. Okay, this is enough for today's lecture. We'll see some another concept to find the convergency of a sequence in next lecture. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel.